Hands-on demonstration on summary statistics. Mean with outliers.
So next, let us now go sa ating third worksheet is the mean with outliers. Okay? Hapon, ito, naging question to. Ano po yung outliers nga po ulit? Ito po yung sobrang layo na nung data na yon or that single data. So, among doon sa ating mga other observations. Okay? So, we have here, titingnan natin, halos same lang siya. Table 1A, the number of children and monthly income of selected households in Province A for the year 2022. So, almost the same lang po yung ating example. Okay? So, households 1 to 4, same yung data niya. But this time, kung papansinin po natin, kung kanina si household 5, meron lang siya number of children na 2 and monthly income of 20,000. This time, 25 na po yung anak ni household 5. Dumami, real quick. And then, monthly income of 120,000. Okay? So, we now have here outlier. Okay? We now have an outlier for each. So, merong outlier na tayo sa number of children since yung concentration, ang laki na masyado ng ating observation and also for the monthly income. Okay? So, let's now compute. So, actually, walang magbabago sa computation kahit na merong outlier yung ating mean. Okay? So, ang magbabago here is the interpretation na makukuha natin from the computed value. Okay? So, since same lang, so same formula, equal average, open parenthesis, highlight your data, click enter, okay. And then another one, since same lang naman yung gagamitin natin na formula, kinapi ko na lang siya from cell B8 to cell C8. Okay? So, kagaya na banggit ko, same lang yung formula. This time, magbabago lang po yung interpretation natin. Okay? So, here, the values of the mean are being pulled towards the value of the outlier. As you can see, 4 out of the 5 observations are lower than the mean. So, isa lang po, yung tanging yung outlier lang po, yung mas mataas dun sa mean. Dahil nga po, hinahatak ng ating mean, okay, yung or hinahatak ng ating outlier rather, yung mean natin papunta sa kanya. Okay? So, 4 out of the 5 observations are lower than the mean. Okay? So, same lang din po for the monthly income. So, 4 again, out of the 5 observations are lower than the mean. Okay? Thus, ang ibig sabihin, the mean is not a good summary statistics for this given data. Okay? So, pag may outlier po yung ating data, hindi magandang gamitin or hindi advisable si mean. Okay? So, mayroon pang other summary statistics na pwede tayong gamitin. Okay? So, ano kaya yon? So, makikita nyo yan later on. Okay? So, madadaanan natin siya. So again, mean is not a good summary statistics for this given data na may ganitong outliers.